Well, it is another spectacular morning here in Barbados. Today I'll be going to the dive shop and doing another installment of Diving with Strangers. I'm definitely out earlier, and so I'm gonna head over to the bus stop and catch a ride down to the shop, and I will see you there. Okay. Alright, so I made it down to the shop. Just got off the bus. I'm really early, which is good. I'll be able to get in and help at the shop, help them open up. Don't gotta walk fast today. So what I'll do, since I have more time, is I'll show you preparing my gear for the dive. Just making sure that, you know, all the hoses and BCD and everything is right. Just a typical pre-dive check. I like to do it before I get on the boat so that when I suit up, I can just be ready to get straight in the water. And I'm gonna try to convince them to let me do the dive briefing for this morning's dive, and perhaps even lead the dive. I'm sure that whoever's scheduled to lead the dive would be happy to let me do that. Also, find some strangers to dive with. So that's the plan for today, and I'll see you at the shop. Okay, so I'm gonna get my gear and do my setup and prep for the boat. So I'm already ready to go by the time the guests start coming in.
While I'm getting my gear, I wanted to give a quick shout out to Barbados Blue Water Sports. This is not a paid advertisement. I'm just showing some love to an excellent dive shop. People often ask me about Barbados Blue, and honestly, the vibe here is just different. It's a 5-star PADI shop, so the professionalism is 100% there, but the atmosphere is so island friendly. It's a place where high-level training meets a totally relaxed feel, making every dive here something to get pretty excited about. So if you're a diver or curious about diving and taking a trip to Barbados, check them out. Anyway, looks like some guests are arriving just in time, and I have found my strangers.
Okay, I found my first diver, and I'm gonna ask for her name and a couple of questions. So, what is your name?
My name is Chloe.
Chloe, why do you like to dive?
I like to dive because it's really relaxing being underwater, and it's something me and my dad do together.
Excellent. And what are you hoping to see today?
I'd like to see an eagle ray. I'd like to see a manta ray, but I don't think it's going to happen. But
Fingers crossed. I remember seeing one time, so maybe we'll get lucky again.
I hope so.
All right, thank you. See you on the dive.
Awesome, thank you.
I found my second diver. This is Eric. Eric, why do you like to dive?
It's just very relaxing. It's like walking in the woods or the forest with animals and flowers, except it's more of a dream-like. You're floating through.
I like that.
So you're just floating through, a little bit up, a little bit down, and the colors are amazing, and the temperatures here are just right.
Perfect, absolutely. And what are you hoping to see today?
It's always good luck seeing a seahorse.
It is.
That's made it. But
Okay.
hopefully an octopus or two, lobster. There's always turtles. And keep our fingers crossed. Usually a seahorse, but
Okay.
they're very rare and they're quite tiny. And they're usually hanging around someplace on a piece of vegetation.
If you can, stick around for the afternoon dive because Monday I saw a seahorse in Carlisle Bay. Yes. And actually it'll be on the next video I post. So
Oh, fantastic.
so I'll definitely let you know about it.
It's like finding a mermaid, except it's a seahorse.
Yeah,
And you find
exactly.
one, you make a wish on it, or buy a water
Ooh.
ticket.
Okay. I'll do both. All right, thanks. See you in the water. Okay, so now I'm on the boat and I like to get my gear all set up ahead of time. So when the people start getting on the boat, I can just help them with their stuff. So here's my stuff right here and give you my setup. So
Hey folks, it's me again. You've probably noticed by now a slightly different format to this video. I'm playing with different ones to find the best feel. Let me know what you think about this particular format in the comments. I'm always open to new ways I can make this content most enjoyable for you. Thanks.
okay, so it's not quite full, but it's over 2,500 psi, so that's good enough for me. Okay, good to go. So now I'm all set up. Ready to help the customers on board. So that is the end of another successful day of diving, and I hope you enjoy the footage that we got. A big shout out, big thank you to Eric and Chloe for being my strangers today, and definitely look forward to bringing you more of this content.